In this video, we will guide you through how to make an owner tag in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your workspace and insert a part. Just click on part to insert a part, and as you can see, we have successfully inserted our part. Now just go to the Explorer and Properties, make sure they are toggled on, and just go to the part inside Explorer and click on the plus icon and search for Billboard GUI. And after adding Billboard GUI, just right click on it and choose to rename it. Now rename it exactly. Just type capital O and type owner and type tag. And after typing this exactly, just hit enter and click on the plus icon for owner tag and add a text label. So now you can start customizing text label. So just scroll down and make sure background transparency is set to 1, hit enter and search for rich text. So just under rich text there is label, so just delete the label and write owner. And after typing that, you can choose your text color, and after choosing my color, I'll just click on OK. And after that, scroll down and make sure text scaled is turned on, and you can increase the text size. Just click on text and you can increase the size. And after configuring the text label, just go to the Explorer once again and go to server script service. Just click on the plus icon and add a script. Just delete the pre-existing script by selecting all and backspace and paste this code exactly. So I'll be leaving this code in the description. In the your username field, type your username of Roblox exactly, which in my case is going to be GuideRealm. And after typing my name, I'll just go to the owner tag and just drag the owner tag inside the replicated storage. So I'll just click and drag the owner tag inside the replicated storage like so. And once I have done that, I'll just go ahead and preview it. And as you can see, we have successfully got our owner tag in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.